Hello, this is Steve, Dichroic Glassman. This video is going to be different than any video I've ever done. For those of the people that call me and talk to me by phone, who buy my lesson plan, almost every single conversation we go to a spiritual level, and we find out often that it wasn't just about solder or bevels or dichro or glass, but there was some sort of an underlying theme to the phone call, unbeknownst to perhaps either end, me or them, until that unveiling. And with that said, I met an artist the other night, and this is his CD, Thin Little Veil by Bob Sima. Sima, I'm not sure how he says that. One of the most beautiful, most incredible songs are in this CD. And the song I want to pay attention to, that's going to be the soundtrack to this video of soldering, is As Above, So Below. In fact, those are the lyrics. As above, so below. One of the most beautiful songs, but yet somebody might think it's very melancholy or sad. Emptiness is a perfect state of mind. It's a place and a way, or again, back to the place of being totally empty of all the stories that might be reverberating in your mind. So yeah, this is going to be a real different video. Yeah! Yeah, I'm really excited about doing this. I've been wanting to do this for a long time, and I've talked to hundreds of people about going in a different direction. Starting to talk about perhaps conversations and subjects that make a difference. And we'll disguise it by watching me solder. So let's, without further ado, let's listen to the song that I'm so moved by. And consider the possibility, for some of us, coming to an emptiness, a place of absolute silence and being aware of oneself, is absolutely blissful. So don't take this as a sad song. I listen to this song as many as 10 times a day. It's an incredible song. Let's see if you agree.
This is where empty comes alone. Boundless golden plains, big blue sky. Great expanse and all the splendor.
think? Is it time? It's time to really start talking. I know some of the people are going to scream. I turned off the honky tonk song. Basically, I just wanted to get back to the soldering. And yeah, a little jabber. I don't know about you, but it's not a coincidence that I've had literally hundreds of conversations with people on a spiritual level. Not religious, spiritual. I have nothing against religious. I have a lot of Bible behind me. Appreciation. Oh God, I know some people are going to go, God, he's going that way. Nah, not actually, I'm not. Talking about it's time to, for some, and if people are going to ridicule me by my belief system, then so be it. Let's start making that choice. Ready to open up my spiritual channel after talking to a lot of people about this over the phone. A lot of people don't know that my life's passion is helping other people. Dichroic glass man's only an aspect of that. I've put literally over 2,000 hours in videoing my YouTube video channel. Never a day dreaming that I would have over 1 million views. I am so grateful, so profoundly grateful that sometimes I can hardly I don't know what to do. If I told you my story, it would kind of, for some it would shock them, and for others it would be relative, and for others, yeah, they'd be bored. Let's face it, this is a soldering video. For those of the people who've talked to me, perhaps this video talks to you. For that need and desire and wanting to talk to somebody on some sort of a level. And that's where I'm going. That channel is going to open up soon. I'd like to be a very select channel. Thoughts and how we see things are very sacred. I'm not interested in putting it on a mainstream YouTube channel. Really kind of want to talk about some very deep subjects that people have been calling me and wanting to talk about. I think it's time. What do you think? Think this is a funky, weird video? I think it is. In fact, I know it is. It has everything to do with how profoundly grateful I am of having this incredible audience that often people contact me over. Or I should say call. Love talking to people. My other vocation is I'm a therapist. How weird. I take it very personally with having a gift of being able to intuitively talk to a man that's 52 years old that's been medicated all of his life, and talking to him in a way that's fair, that allows him to be who he is. An incredible being, still emulating energy. May not be the herd mentality of energy, but a guy that's created a way of seeing things, and all he's known is an institution for many, many years. He's 52 years old. How blessed I am to actually see the frailty of human life, and yet being able to be apparently the only person who's ever gotten through to him and had meaningful, profound conversations. It's kind of like unlocking your own Rain Man. It's pretty wild. A lot of people don't know. That's what I really love doing, is talking to people and helping, creating a creative solution, maybe in how they see things. That's where I really want to be one day, is using this as a platform to speak from, for those, as the saying goes, for those with eyes to see and ears to hear. Don't matter if it's a small majority. Not after mainstream. Funky video, eh? Having this conversation with myself like you guys are interacting. I love soldering. I like listening to it with songs like that. So anyway, let's end this video. Let's end all this hoopla. For some it's going to be too strange. For others, they may say, do another one. Hopefully that's the case. Hey, thanks a lot for watching my videos as always. Kind of a different color of life, and I don't know, maybe asking the questions that might make a difference, or talking about issues that might make a difference. That's where I really want to go, on a private channel. Not sure what I want to call it, but really kind of taking some ideas down. Give this guy a CD I've listened to. Thin Little Veil, song number 9. As Above, So Below. Amazing song. Thanks a lot for watching. You have an amazing day. And most importantly, take time to discover yourself. And whatever that might imply. Hey, thanks a lot. Bye-bye.